Have you ever wondered why Iran, a land of ancient civilizations and rich cultural heritage, often finds itself at the epicenter of global discussions? Our journey begins in the cradle of one of the world's oldest civilizations. In the 4th millennium BC, Elamites, the first known inhabitants of Iran, established their rule. They left behind a rich tapestry of art and architecture, hinting at a society that valued beauty and craftsmanship. Fast forward to the 6th century BC, the Achaemenid Empire rose to power, marking the beginning of Iran as a significant player on the world stage. The Persian Empire, as it was known, was a beacon of administrative efficiency and architectural grandeur. One cannot forget the majestic ruins of Persepolis, the ceremonial capital of the Persian Empire even today. The advent of Islam in the 7th century AD brought about a dramatic transformation in Iran. The Persian Empire adopted Islam, and over time it developed its unique form, Shia Islam. This period also saw a cultural renaissance, with advancements in philosophy, literature, and science. Fast forward to the 20th century, Iran underwent significant socio-political changes. The 1953 coup d'etat marked a turning point in Iran's modern history, leading to the establishment of an authoritarian monarchy under Shah Mohammad Reza Pahlavi. However, the winds of change were blowing. The year 1979 saw the culmination of widespread social discontent in the form of the Islamic Revolution. The monarchy was overthrown, and an Islamic republic based on the principles of Shia Islam was established. In the 21st century, Iran has often found itself in the spotlight due to its contentious nuclear program. Its geopolitical significance, rich oil reserves, and strategic location make it a pivotal player in global politics. To summarize, Iran's story is a rich tapestry woven over millennia. From the ancient Elamites to the modern Islamic Republic, it is a land that has continually evolved and adapted. Its rich cultural heritage, religious significance, and geopolitical importance make it a country that cannot be overlooked in any discussion about the world's past, present, or future. Remember, understanding Iran is not just about politics or oil. It is about appreciating a civilization that has contributed significantly to human history and continues to shape our world in many ways. So, the next time Iran pops up in a conversation, remember, it's not just a country. It's a chronicle of human civilization.